Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Epic Games Launcher setup wizard ended prematurely. First of all, what you have to do is open your task manager by right clicking on your bottom bar and click on task manager. It will open this page. Now from here you will see Epic Games Launcher running. So first of all, what you have to do is to end the process by typing in Epic over here, and you will see lots of Epic are running here, and I will select and I will end task. As you can see, now the Epic Games launcher is not working. Now what I will do, I will open my file manager, go to C drive. From here I will find the program files x86, double click and go to Epic Games. You will see Epic Games, right click, hit the delete button. It will delete the Epic Games folder successfully. Go back. Now this time you have to go to program files without x86. Now again go to the Epic Games folder, right click and do the same delete button and delete that. Now what you have to do is open your web browser and open store.epicgames.com and click on download button, and it will download an installer file into your PC. You have to wait for the installation process to complete. Once the download has been completed, click on the installer file and it will ask you to install the Epic Games Launcher into your C drive. Click on install. Once the process has been completed, it will automatically download Epic Games into your PC and you will be successfully able to fix Epic Games Launcher setup wizard ended prematurely. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.